So what is your secret of being so fit and looking so good?
Eating very little. It's very important not to overeat. There's this real tendency amongst athletes, especially as they get older, to continue to eat like the way they did when they were young and competing and pushing hard.
At 71 years old, Steve Maxwell is a living testament to the idea that age is just a number. Widely recognized as a fitness legend, Maxwell's approach to health and wellness defies the conventional narrative of aging. With his vibrant energy, youthful appearance, and impressive physical abilities, he continues to redefine what it means to age gracefully. But what's his secret? In a world where most people start slowing down as they hit their 50s and 60s, Maxwell is proving that it's possible to not just stay young, but actually get better with age. So how does Steve Maxwell maintain his incredible vitality and youthful looks? According to him, it's not about some miracle supplement or a secret workout. It's about training smart, eating right, and avoiding a few key foods that accelerate aging and compromise health. The philosophy of longevity. Steve Maxwell's philosophy is simple. I'm not training to get older, I'm training to get better. He isn't chasing after more years in life. He's focusing on putting more life in his years. This approach is about quality, not quantity. It's about maintaining strength, flexibility, mobility, and mental sharpness well into his later years. Maxwell's fitness journey began more than 5 decades ago, and throughout his career, he's become known for his train smart, not hard philosophy. Rather than pushing the body to the limit with extreme workouts or overexertion, he advocates for functional fitness, workouts that keep the body strong, mobile, and injury-free. What Steve eats for longevity. Steve's diet plays a crucial role in his ability to maintain a youthful appearance and stay strong well into his 70s. He believes in eating lightly and intelligently, using food to fuel his body for movement and health, rather than for indulgence. His meals are balanced, nutrient-dense, and designed to provide sustained energy throughout the day without causing energy crashes or digestive strain. Breakfast. Steve practices intermittent fasting, skipping breakfast on some days, or having a light smoothie packed with greens, berries, protein powder, and a handful of nuts or seeds. This combination provides antioxidants, protein, and healthy fats that keep him energized without weighing him down. Lunch. For his first substantial meal of the day, Steve typically enjoys a salad with lean protein, like grilled fish or chicken, along with colorful vegetables like bell peppers and carrots, plus healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Dinner. His evening meal is lighter but still nutrient-dense. Steve might opt for steamed or roasted vegetables, paired with a small serving of lean protein, such as shrimp or a boiled egg. He emphasizes finishing meals at least 3 hours before bed to allow for optimal digestion and recovery. The 3 foods Steve avoids at all costs. Maxwell's eating habits aren't just about what he eats, but also about what he avoids. He's very clear that certain foods accelerate the aging process, leading to inflammation, energy crashes, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Here are 3 major foods Steve avoids. Processed sugars. Sugar is often referred to as the silent killer when it comes to aging. Excessive sugar intake can cause blood sugar spikes, which in turn lead to inflammation and the breakdown of collagen in the skin, both of which accelerate visible aging. For Steve, cutting back on sweets, sugary drinks, and foods with high fructose corn syrup is a key part of staying youthful. Refined carbs foods like white bread, pastries, and other refined carbs don't provide much nutritional value. These foods are broken down quickly into sugar, causing rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels and leading to energy crashes. Steve opts for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats, which provide slow-burning energy and are high in fiber. Fried foods. Fried foods are loaded with trans fats, which are known to increase bad cholesterol levels and contribute to inflammation. Over time, this can damage cardiovascular health, impair joint function, and negatively affect skin health. Steve prefers to avoid fried foods and chooses grilled, steamed, or roasted foods instead. Steve Maxwell's weekly workout routine. In addition to his nutritional choices, Maxwell's workout routine is designed to keep his body strong, flexible, and functional. He doesn't believe in grueling, high-intensity workouts that cause burnout or injury. Instead, his approach focuses on sustainable fitness, a routine that builds strength, improves mobility, and supports long-term health. Here's a glimpse into Steve's weekly workout routine. Monday, upper body strength, push-ups, dumbbell shoulder press, bent over rows, bicep curls, tricep extensions. Tuesday, lower body strength and stability, squats, lunges, glute bridges, calf raises. Wednesday, rest. Thursday, full body functional workout, burpees, planks, medicine ball slams, step-ups with dumbbells, battle ropes. Friday, rest. Saturday, mobility and cardio, 30-minute brisk walk or jog, yoga flow, foam rolling, and core exercises like Russian twists and bicycle crunches. Sunday, rest. Maxwell's workouts are built around functional movement patterns, exercises that mimic real-life movements and help maintain joint health, strength, and flexibility. Steve's 3 tips for people over 50. Steve Maxwell's wisdom for those over 50 is rooted in making fitness and health a lifestyle. Here are 3 key tips he recommends for staying strong and healthy as you age. Prioritize protein. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. To combat this, it's essential to get enough protein to maintain strength. Steve recommends eating lean protein sources like fish, chicken, and plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. Focus on mobility and flexibility. Maintaining flexibility is critical to preventing injury as we age. Steve suggests incorporating yoga, foam rolling, or regular stretching into your routine at least twice a week. Strength training is key. Maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important over 50. Steve advises lifting weights or doing resistance exercises at least twice a week. Focus on compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups, such as squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. Supplements Steve takes for longevity. In addition to his diet and exercise, Steve takes several supplements to support his overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids for joint health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Magnesium helps with muscle recovery, sleep quality, and stress management. Vitamin D supports bone health, immune function, and energy. Probiotics to maintain gut health and improve digestion. Vitamin C, known for its antioxidant properties and immune support. Conclusion: aging gracefully with Steve Maxwell. Steve Maxwell's approach to aging is rooted in balance, consistency, and mindfulness. By prioritizing functional fitness, eating a nutrient-dense diet, and avoiding foods that accelerate aging, he's able to maintain a youthful appearance and stay in top physical shape at 71. His focus isn't on looking young for his age. It's on feeling young, staying strong, and living with vitality. If you want to age like Steve Maxwell, start by incorporating some of his habits into your own routine. Train smart, fuel your body with the right foods, and focus on maintaining strength, mobility, and flexibility. It's never too late to invest in your health and start reaping the benefits of a life well lived.